Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the connection and load. Do this now. Inspect the hitch, coupler, and safety chains for wear and tighten all fasteners. Next, shift cargo so weight sits slightly forward, aiming for about 10–15% tongue weight balances control versus stability. Once the load is centered and tied, measure tongue weight with a scale or leverage method and adjust until within range. This prevents the most common cause of sway from the outset. Now focus on dynamic corrections that stop sway in motion. Fit a correctly rated sway control device, friction bar or dual cam, and tighten per instructions. This damps lateral motion. Then inspect tire pressures, axle alignment, and ride height. Mismatched suspension or low air pressure amplifies oscillation. Once done, perform a controlled drive test at low speed, inducing small steering inputs. Observe yaw and oscillation frequency, and make progressive adjustments to sway control or load placement until tracking stays stable and predictable. Finish by locking in safe habits and a final check. You must manage speed and avoid abrupt steering. Those corrections feed sway. If you still feel oscillation, reduce speed by 5–10 mph and retest. Often lower speed restores stability while you rework weight distribution or sway control settings. Finally, if problems continue, disconnect the trailer and retest the tow vehicle alone to isolate the source. That one diagnostic step pinpoints whether the problem is trailer setup or tow vehicle alignment, so you can fix it accurately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.